Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Zoho Invoice as a beginner in 2023. Zoho Invoice is the perfect platform if you're a small business or you're a freelancer, as with this platform you'll be able to create invoices, collect payments, and you can also keep track of your expenses. And also if you have a small team working with, you'll be able to log work hours and so on. And the beauty about Zoho Invoice is it's completely free. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry about paying in the future. And as you can see right here, you'll be able to create professional invoices, send your invoices efficiently, and you'll also be able to collect payments as they are connected to numerous payment plans, for example, PayPal, Stripe, and many others. I'll show you that later on in the video, and I'll also show you how to create an invoice and also how to set up PayPal and so on to connect them to your Zoho plan. The first thing you want to do once on Zoho, you are going to enter your full name, email address, create a password, and you'll also enter your company name. Then you are going to tap on I agree to the terms of service, and you are going to tap on sign up. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. But before going there, what I always recommend you to do is check out the FAQ section. So let us give it a quick look. And as you can see right here, it is completely free to get started. And you'll be able to bill multiple clients, create invoices as I said earlier, retainers and credit notes, adapt to local currencies, languages, and tax laws, store customer information securely, automate payment reminders, and collect payments online 24/7. And as I said earlier, you'll be able to accept payments via cash, checks, and bank transfers, and add multiple users and assign role-based access better yet. Gain business insights through invoice reports, log time and manage projects, scan receipts and track expenses, provide a customer self-service portal. And by the way, let us scroll down and check out their FAQ section, and you'll find out why they are completely free. Is your software really free? Yes, there are no ads, no contracts, and no hidden fees. And how do you make money? Zoho Invoice was one of their earlier projects or products. Since it was created or launched, they have branched out to other fields like accounting, expense reporting, subscription billing, invoice management, and payroll, giving them a reliable income stream. So that is why they are able to offer this service for completely free. And yes, with Zoho, your data is secure, as you can see right there. And also, you don't need a credit card to get started, so you don't have to worry about having a credit card to sign up. As I showed you earlier, all you need is your name and email address. And you can also access Zoho Invoice on multiple devices, as you can see right here. So you're not limited to only your laptop or your phone that you have created the account on. You can use it on multiple devices. Now that we have gone through the FAQ section and you know what Zoho Invoice is all about and how to get started, let's go into the dashboard so I can show you how to create a customer and also how to set up your payment. Once on the dashboard, you'll see just like this, and you're going to see the menu option on the left hand corner. Then you are going to tap right where you see customer, and you could tap on create new customer. After you have selected create new customer, from here you can enter the customer name, and you'll enter the customer email address, and you can also enter customer name display right here. Then you'll enter the person's phone number if you want, and you can also enter their website. And you'll quickly scroll down, and from here you can select the currency. So you could choose a currency, and you have numerous options you can choose from. All you have to do is simply type it in. So let's say I'm accepting USD, and you can also select the tax rate right here. After you have done that, you can tap right where you see payment terms. So you can select due on receipt, or you can select the amount of days. As you can see right here, due end of the month. Then from here you can tap on allow portal access for this customer if you want, and you can also select the language. You can enter the contact's email, better yet their Facebook and Twitter. And after you're finished, you'll go to address, and you could enter the person's address. Then you'll tap on contact information, and you could add contact information if you want. And if you want to add any custom fields, you could do that. And any special remarks, you can add that right there. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on save. And once the contact is saved, as you can see right here, if in the future you'd like to edit it, you could simply tap on edit right there in the top right hand corner. And you can also select more if you would want other options, as you can see here. So if you would want to clone it, or if you'd like to merge contacts or mark as inactive, you can also do that. And you can also delete the contact. So now that we know how to create an contact, let me show you how to create an invoice. And by the way, you can create estimates or quotations that you can send to customers, as you can see right here, by selecting estimates from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on create new estimate, and you could send that to a customer. Or if you would like to create an invoice, all you have to do is select invoices, then tap on new invoice. And from here, you'll be able to set your transaction preferences. As you can see right here, do you give discounts? And if you do, you can enter the discount that you give right there. And you can also select any additional charges you'd like to add. And you can scroll through, and any one of these that you want to change, you can add it right there. You can scroll through and read all about this. So let me quickly scroll down. And after you have filled in all of the information, you can simply close it out. Then you'll enter the customer name right here. You can enter the customer name real quick. After entering the customer name, you can create the invoice, and then you'll select the invoice date right here. And then you can also add the due date. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. You can add the salesperson. So this would be perfect if you're working with a team. You can select the person that had gotten the sale or potentially will get the sale right there. You could add the salesperson name, and you can scroll down and you can add in another line if you want. And you can also add shipping costs if you want also. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see right here. After you're finished and you have saved it, if in the future you receive the payment, you'll come back and you'll tap on I have received a payment right here. Then you'll simply tap on save and send, or you could save as draft. So you could select save and send, and it will send it to the customer, or you can select save as draft. Another thing that I want you to also do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select payments received right here, and you could edit that also. But one more thing that I want you to do before going away, what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, what I want you to do is select online payments. And after you have selected online payments, you'll now be able to set up your Stripe, and you can also set up PayPal. So once you have a Stripe account, or if you don't have a Stripe account, you could create one right now, and after tapping on set up now, and you can also set up pay tabs and PayPal. As you can see right there, there are numerous payment options you'll be able to use when it comes to Zoho Invoice. You can use Braintree, you can use 2Checkout, and you can also use PayPal Payments Pro, and you can use Forte. And you can see right there, you'll be easy to set them up and get started. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use Zoho Invoice. And you can also tap on their integrations in the bottom left hand corner, and you can connect them to any one of these platforms. And if you would also like to use, for example, the Zoho booking or so on, There are numerous platforms that Zoho offer for completely free, and to find them, all you have to do is go up to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap right where you see the 6 dots. Then you'll see right here Zoho Books or Zoho Invoice or Zoho Checkout. You can use any one of these, or you can select View All Apps, and you will see the different apps that Zoho offers that you can use, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.